Evening. How was your day? My day, you ask? Or didn't ask? It was absolutely lovely. So my family and I went for lunch at my favourite restaurant called Kai in Mayfair. Then we went to what probably is now my new favourite production, Jack and the Beanstalk. It was at the London Palladium and they host a West End pantomime every year since 2016. Even though it's a panto, I enjoyed it so much. Too much. The cast were absolutely amazing. It was starring Dawn French, Julian Clary and Alexandra Burke to name a few. And then there was a huge beanstalk that erupted from the middle of the auditorium that Jack climbed, which was one of the highlights for me. I mean, we all loved it. It was hilarious and I'd definitely go again if they do it in the future with the same cast. Anyway, it's getting late now and as you can tell, I'm already in bed, so that's all from me for tonight and I will talk to you tomorrow. Good night. Thank you. Good afternoon. Okay, so today's another day. We've just come back from a quick shopping session at Harrods. I've just finished washing my hair, hence why it's still a bit damp. I blow dried it quickly and I'm letting it air dry for now before I blow dry it again later. And I've also just popped on some Rodial Dragon's Blood eye patches. I've also got this bathrobe on, which is great for the colder weather. My eye mask is falling. Anyway, I didn't get too much, so let's quickly show you what we got. Right, firstly, from Loewe, I've been on the hunt for a nice thin tan belt, okay? And I saw this one, which looked really nice when I tried it on, and this one is size 70. So that's how it looks. It's just plain tan, it's not reversible or anything because their reversible one was rather thick around my waist and because I'm quite small it was a bit overpowering for me, so I thought the thin belts would suit me a bit better. I also wanted one with gold hardware, so this was actually perfect. My only qualm with this is compared to the reversible H belt, the leather sits on top like that, whereas the H belt that I usually wear goes underneath like that, so it's seamless around your body. But that's not the biggest deal breaker. Very happy with that. And then we got a little something from Dior. Oh, it's starting to get dark quite quickly. So I was just after a small cross-body bag. Well, actually it's more of a pouch because it's called the Lady Dior pouch. And it's quite simple. I initially wanted the one with the handle, but it was sold out everywhere and I didn't really want to wait, so I just got this one instead. They're still very similar in design, apart from the handle and the front pocket. Otherwise, they're both still very gorgeous bags. Are we ready to take it off? It's a bit hard to do it one-handed because of all the sellotape, so one sec. And this one has champagne gold hardware. It doesn't fit much, but it fits the absolute necessities, and that's all I need it for. We have a front slot here, a zipped compartment here, and then a few spaces for some cards at the back. Not forgetting the beautiful strap that it comes with. Again, champagne gold hardware with 2 pearls. Isn't that gorgeous? I love it. Right, I need to get ready because we are going for dinner at Balthazar, and then we are going to the Royal Opera House to watch Sleeping Beauty. And I honestly cannot control my excitement any longer, so let's go. Good morning. So just a quick update. Last night's show was honestly breathtaking. The orchestra, the ballet, the costumes. I mean, it's just crazy how you don't need to say any words to tell a story, because the dancing and the music itself already said 1,000 words and made you feel 1,000 emotions. We had great seats as well, meaning we could see the whole orchestra, which made it even better. Anyway, let's talk about the present. Today is the day we are going to a farm.
So the blue marks are triplets, so where they've got blue spray paint on them, their mums have got 3 lambs. Orange spray paint is twins and red spray paint is singles.
Do you get many triplets?
We've had quite a few this year. We had 2 lots of quads.
Put it down when you want to pick one.
And do you leave a triplet on? Or do you move
We will normally try and adopt them on because obviously they've only got 2 teeth. So, but to adopt them on, you've got to have singles lambing at the same time. And we seem to have had a lot of triplets are out in the field out there.
200. 250.
Everybody tells the truth when I'm here.
We'll talk about numbers and shit.
Oh.
Stressful, but it's a good lamb. But she's a bit funny with it. So they've got enough energy to get up and wander around to have a look for a drink. And once they've run out of energy, they'll go downhill pretty quickly. straight into its belly. So if they've got...
Is that?
Hello. Staring contest. So exciting.
The lamb's got it. So the lamb should, can you say that, should come out like that. So nose and 2 feet. And this one, there's feet there, but the head's pointing down. So it's just a little bit blocked.
She's very good though. She doesn't make much noise.
No.
Yeah.
Just a foot.
Oh wow. Oh, there's not like the yellow discharge, the liquid.
So when you get, so they have 2 bags come out. They have a red bag and a yellow bag comes out, and that's actually around that lamb.
Yeah.
Sometimes if the lambs are like what we call overcooked, if they've been in there too long, where you go. If they've been in there too long, they'll come out yellow.
Okay.
They come out almost yellow.
That's the one that you pulled out with a bit yellow.
Yeah, so if they've been stuck, so here, look, if you look here, and there's 2 feet. When we pull it out, so inside that sheet, the birth canal's there, and the womb is in here, and it sort of goes like that. So when we pull a lamb out, we sort of pull it out around that way. So I'll get its legs out, and then you're going to grab hold of the legs.
Okay.
Roll your sleeves up. Right, come around here. So you're going to pull those 2 legs, and you want to hold them. They're quite slippery, so hold on to them, and you're going to pull that way, and I'm going to help the head. Yeah.
Okay. So towards me.
Yeah. Straight down like that.
Yeah.
Ready? Go on, grab them. Get a hand on each leg. Right, ready? That's it. And you pull pretty hard. That's it. Right, now drag that round and put it in front of mum. Put it straight in front of mum. That's it. And then all we do is we just clean their mouths to make sure they haven't got any mucus in. And what was that? A little girl.
Oh wow. Girl as well.
That's a boy. You see?
Okay.
So a boy and a girl. Keep going, she'll follow you. Keep going. She'll follow you. That's it, just keep going. Straight to the pen.
The sheep whisperer.
Don't let her overtake you. That's it. Keep going, don't let her get in front of you. That's it.
Well, he's only 10 months old.
10 months.
He's a baby. But he's lovely.
Wow.
You're a boy. You're a good boy, Cassie.
What's his name?
Cassie.
Cassie.
So
Cassius.
the horse that led the Queen's funeral carriage, the one at the very front, was called Cassius, and he retired like the day after or something. They retired him. So Ruby decided this one was going to be called Cassie.
Oh, Cassie, that's a lovely name.
A little woolly bear. Oh, look, it's a grumpy. Bring your ears forward. Look pretty for the camera, please. Look pretty for the camera.
Oh.
Come on, come to me. Gas. Mouse, don't be grumpy. Come on, Gas. Come on. Come on. Come
Hello.
Oh, say hi.
Hello. Hi. What are the other 2?
This one's Mouse.
Mouse.
Yeah, she's retired. And that one's Darcy, so that's the one I ride, but she's got no shoes on at the moment. So, and she's a bit more standoffish.
Okay.
She's perfectly friendly, but she won't, like in the field, until you've got hold of her, she won't come to you.
She wants a selfie. Should take a selfie. She likes the iPhone. Hello, Darcy.
Photos, ears forward, look pretty.
Cassius! Cassius!
Best friend.
Cassius! Shall we go get some tea? Come on! That's my hair! Hi! So we're back from lambing now, and to tell you the truth, that was an experience of a lifetime. I don't think I can really put into words how much I adored every second of being on that farm. I mean, I birthed a baby lamb. They were actually twins. I called them Mary and Joseph. You know, in the moment, I had so much excitement and adrenaline running through me that I actually did it without any gloves. Crazy, I know. There were also two gorgeous horses there, and I made friends with their 10-month-old pony called Cassius, who seemed to really enjoy my gloves and my hair. I'm incredibly grateful to their lovely family who was so welcoming. I definitely learned a lot from them during my time there, and that was definitely something for me to tick off my bucket list. A very happy girl I am. So it's been quite a chilled one today. I went to work in the morning and then I went for tea at Durrants in Marylebone. It's more of a boutique hotel compared to those big chain hotels, but it's honestly gorgeous inside. And then after that I had a reformer Pilates session with the lovely Xenia, and I really enjoyed it because it was one-to-one, so it was more personal. And then after that I just came home, had dinner with the family, and then we all played cards. Oh, and this top, when I went to New York with my friend Dee, we made some friends there and he actually drew on the whole top, and it also has his name on the back. So it's very sentimental for me because that was the last time that I went to New York. I wear it from time to time, but when I do wear it, it just brings back good memories. Anyway, that's enough from me because I'm a bit tired now, as you can tell from my voice. So good night and hopefully see you in the next video.